Wuhan's war on COVID-19. Wuhan, a metropolis of 11 million residents in central China's Hubei province. This winter, the city is fighting an unprecedented defensive battle. The enemy is the novel coronavirus. By January 23rd, there were 495 confirmed cases in Wuhan. To minimize the spread of the virus, the city, with a population 1.3 times that of New York, was locked down. China then began a large-scale rescue mission. On January 24th, the first batch of medical teams from outside Hubei arrived. Meanwhile, Chinese companies were ordered to build a 1,000-bed hospital within 10 days, and a second soon followed. On January 25th, China held a top-level meeting on the outbreak, and confidence in winning the battle was expressed. Unfortunately, the disease continued to spread. By February 2nd, the total confirmed cases in Wuhan surpassed 5,000. The next day, the construction of 3 temporary hospitals began. Since February 7th, the Chinese government has called on 19 other provinces and municipalities to send medics to cities in Hubei. On February 9th alone, 6,000 medical workers landed at Wuhan's airport. On February 11th, the total number of confirmed cases in the city neared 20,000. 2 days later, the Chinese Air Force sent cargo planes, carrying 1,400 more medics from the army. Over 1,500 medical workers have been infected, and some laid down their lives to save others. To plug a shortage of protective suits, masks, and other medical supplies, Chinese manufacturers from various industries were mobilized. The daily capacity of mask production was raised from 8 million to over 50 million. Huge volumes of material supplies headed for Wuhan. By February 23rd, China had dispatched over 330 medical teams, incorporating 41,600 medics to the virus-hit Hubei. Wuhan has built 2 infectious disease hospitals, increased the number of designated hospitals to over 40, and put in use 13 temporary hospitals, bringing the total number of available beds to over 40,000, while preparing another 70,000 beds at quarantine sites. No one is left unattended. Fortunately, new confirmed cases in Wuhan have finally started to decline. The dawn of victory has appeared. WHO Director General Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said,
"At its source appear to have bought the world time, even though those steps have come at greater cost to China itself."
It is a special war between humans and a new virus. Defending Wuhan is protecting China and the whole world. No victory should be hastily announced until there is a complete win.